Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Raid Shadow Legend account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To delete your Raid Shadow Legends account, first open up your game, make sure that you're logged in as well, and once you are, tap on your profile avatar at the top left. Now, tap on the info button from the left hand side menu. You'll be able to see a delete account button in red at the bottom. Tap on it and select why you are trying to get rid of the account. Tap on the circle to make your selection and tap on continue. Now, type in delete in the text box to ensure you'd like to delete your account and finally click on delete account. Remember that your account deletion process will take 30 days. And once you tap on the delete account button, you'll be able to see that a message has been typed in from your behalf to Plarium support. Wait for the reply from their end and follow the prompts in order to delete your account. Once your request has been reviewed by the support team, they'll help you delete your account. That was how you can easily delete your Raid Shadow Legends account right from your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.